Hi guys, today welcome to another video. I thought about starting in a different place than in that multi-storey car park, because I have a job driving out of that car park, and to save the hassle we're going to now be starting out here from now, guys. But that's a change of plan. We'll be now starting from out here. But hi guys, today we've got another car mod. Today's car mod is a Nissan Qashqai. Yeah, so Nissan Qashqai 2016, just before they did remodernised this. Before they remodernised it and put a newer front to this. It was a bit newer, plus newer steering wheel. Just before it was done, this shape. Horn. Yeah, just get inside the vehicle. You notice it only revs up to 6,000. That's because it's a diesel. Diesels only rev up to 6,000, by the way, if you didn't know that. Very rarely, some only rev up to 7, some diesels, and some only rev up to 5. 7,000 rev car, a Morley petrol. The only car at a 7,000 RPM is a diesel on. I'm trying to think of one of the models. I know one's a Citroen Berlingo. I know that's one of them. But let's not talk about that today, because that's not what it's about. It's about this Nissan Qashqai today. There's the rear seats. They're not originally beige like this. I do like the beige interior now. I usually have black. That's the passenger side. Let's get started. There's one extra. Reverse camera. I'll take the view over to there. Stop. Just doing this to show you guys. Put it into drive. So you would not do stuff like this and stuff. Oh, sorry, you do not do that, right? I enjoy driving this. But the blind spot on this car's a bit annoying at times. Plus, it's kilometres. I'm not used to kilometres an hour. I wish there was a miles an hour speed bump for this. do that. Can't it skid like that? Why? Why it's skidding there? Don't know what's up there. Why did that skid? Check for something. It is automatic, right? I can do manual, but I use it automatic for a reason. Because I'm in I don't have this. Reverse camera. You don't have that with a manual, but it's manual don't work, so that's why I've got the automatic. It's applied, but it just won't come up with manual stuff. It's a problem I come across myself. When you drive, just let the car take you. See how far from that is? What's up to 110? This isn't the latest model on it showing sort of works for 1.5. It's actually 1.5.6 actually. 1.5.6. You're right. Got it, 110, it crashed. Epic crash. You have this manual, I'll show you. one of these cars or like guys. I do know someone that's got one of these cars, except it's the 2019 models. No, I do know what it looks like, the 2018 version. As I've been in one, guys. Start it there. In park, set the parking brake, push off the engine, put the seatbelt off. Right, please like and subscribe and comment. Right, that's it.